Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. This is election morning in Enugu State, being Saturday, and my polling unit is quite far, so we decide to go and cast our votes, but we decide to drive somewhere closer before we use our leg. So you can see how deserted the whole area is. We hope I won't encounter any disturbance along the way as I'm going. So currently around New Artisan, heading towards Abapa. That's a 2 division axis. I can see vehicle. I think they are the one moving election materials. Moving election materials. Election materials are led of me now to different polling units. They are already on the move. So they are heading towards the 2 division. So let me overtake them so they don't think I'm with them or following them. Going towards the MNA axis. You can see the fighter jets of the Nigerian Air Force already moving. So that's the fighter jet. I don't think I can spot it for you guys, but the fighter jet is currently moving around town. So guys, let me know what is happening in your area. Let me know what is happening in your zone. To me, I always tell people there's no need to be afraid during this period. Just observe all necessary precautions and stay safe. But I don't think it will be threatening as people anticipate it. Yes, I really don't think so, because a lot of friends that I have are actually going very far to cast their votes, or far to travel to cast their votes. So let's know how it's going in your area. Let's know what is happening around your area. So I'm entering through what's it called? What's the name of this area again? Close to Abapa Junction. I made a diversion into Tinker's Corner. So I'm going to park in Tinker's Corner while I use my leg to get to my point. So I'm parking around the school here, the university that is here. So guys, let me get the update on what is happening in your area. Let me know in the comment section. Bye guys.